Okay, so we got a problem on YouTube. A gentleman had the same issue where the stem came out of his tub control knob and left behind the inner casing. And he suggested tapping and using a bolt to get the body out. So I'm going to see if my 1/2 inch by 20 tap will work. Okay, so I've got this Craftsman tap set and my 1/2 by 20. This might work. Get some 3-1 oil. We're going to give it a try. Well, we're tapping into something. Hopefully this is going to work. Okay, we've got a 3.5 inch long, couldn't find case hardened, but I got a stainless steel bolt, 1/2 inch by 20, 3.5 inch long. I got a washer. And I got a 3/4 inch socket. So I'm going to put that together. And see if I can get this to work. Well, it mates up pretty good. I'm only in a few threads. Might have to go for a shorter socket. I'm going to try to slowly turn this and see what happens. So far so good. I'm going to stop filming and focus. Well, I've got to thank YouTube because I think I have got this guy loose now. And voila! After 34 years, it is now apart, and hopefully I didn't damage the inside of the body there, which it looks like the threads are where I threaded was the inside of this bugger. Excellent. Thank you, YouTube. Okay, I'm here at Lowe's, and I got my original piece, and it looks like the 1200, the last one they have for 1998, is going to do the job. And a $12.99 tool, which probably won't be needed for 30 more years. I'll get that too. So, moving along, doing well. Okay, back at the house. We got our brand new Moen 1200. And we've got some of the silicone grease by Danco. We're going to go ahead and lube this guy up. And 50-50 chance of putting it in with getting the hot to the left and cold to the right. So, oh yeah, we're going to be in great shape. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, just have to push it in a little bit further and get it all lined up for this little pin to lock it in place. So should have that done here in just a few seconds. You need to make sure when you put this little pin back in that it does go over the retaining ring that's on the stem that holds the stem components together. I had a problem with this getting it loose. I had to pull it out and get the retaining ring seated perfectly. Push this as far in as I could, and then get this clip to go over the outside of that retaining ring. Well, all back together again, and got it right the first time. Hot to the left, cold to the right, and a little bit of scrubbing bubbles to clean up the mess, and hopefully it's good for another 34 years. Thanks for watching.